Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking. Well, by the power of editing I am still in or back in Magdeburg, depending on how you look at it. Unfortunately going solo from now on, as Arjan had to head back home, and I had to, well, I got back to Prague initially and then up north in the Czech Republic to collect my car, which is now here at a beautiful P&R. Lovely. I hope the scenery gets a bit better today. Yeah, and then today is going to be 75k towards Tangermünde, and then so on and so on until I reach Hamburg at least. And well, that's the plan for the next couple of days, so let's just get started. Alright, see you later. Bit of drop in temperature, 16-17 degrees instead of 34 the other day. It's better, but a bit chilly. Well, I'm a sucker for little fountains, and this is cool. And over there you can have a very Dutch treat called poffertjes. Basically very small little pancakes, I suppose. I didn't know they had them here, but yeah, it would have been nice. But I think I'll start off with a coffee today. Why not? Right, first stop is a cycle shop, because I want to deflate and re-inflate my front tire. See if that helps with the wobbling that I now get after installing new inner tube. So hopefully that helps. Alright, see you later. Well, this is cool stuff, guys. You can buy a inner tube, I would think after hours as well, and you can inflate your tire here. Brilliant. Right, I'm about to leave Magdeburg now, and yeah, let's see what we can find along the way. Well, to say, this is a very nice green promenade just outside of the city center. Oh, look at this. Yeah, actually I do remember this. Not this boat particular, but I think the train over there. And there's another boat, Gutav something, maybe? Well, let's check it out shortly. Wow, that's 110 horsepower. Looks like 1,000 to me. Wow. How about that? How about that for contrast? That is completely done, but taking a lot of time and effort into restoring this beautiful boat. So now we have an appointment with a very special waterway system. Yeah, los geht's. There we have it, the waterway crossing. Let's see, wasserstassenkreuz. This is obviously the Elbe. What's the other one? That's the longest, what they call here, channel bridge. I think we call it aqueduct in Holland, but Mittellandkanal. Aha. Ah, and the sun pops out. Time for the drone, I think. Aha. I don't think I've come across a system like this before. Makes a noise like a medieval torture device, but onwards we go. Here we meet up with the Elbe River again. Very nice. Very reminiscent, of course, of all the waterways we have back home, but nice nonetheless. Okay. Funny, completely different kind of vegetation here all of a sudden. What a cracking cycle path. Fantastic. Woo. I'm enjoying this today. Cute little houses. First glimpse of the Elbe in quite a while. I am absolutely happy to have a secluded cycle path, but this one's just been exceptionally bumpy. Oh, just a few photos I think, and then yeah, on my way towards Tangermünde. I think should be another 20-25 kilometers, so it's going to be an early day. If I continue like this, probably not. Alright, see you later. Well, I didn't know they cultivated so many sunflowers in this part of Germany. It's always so nice. Yay. I think they're all a bit confused as to where the sun is. It's actually shining from the other side. Maybe they're a bit shy. I don't know. Weird. Nature observation tower. Nice. Oh, you can stand on the dike. So I'm very content with today's ride. Yeah, super. Quite a few nice cycle paths directly out of Magdeburg already. So yeah, super fun ride. If there's nothing new to report, then I'll say goodbye for now. See you in a next video, I hope. Till then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Cheers! Tangermünde! Super cute little town. Lovely. And that is the castle. Of course there is a castle. Well, it's the beauty of traveling. You never know what you will encounter, and this is certainly a super nice surprise. What a cute little village, Tangermunde. I think this is second or third, maybe even in a tube machine that I found in Germany so far. I don't think I've ever come across one in the Netherlands at all. €9, maybe not the cheapest, but fantastic that it's there. So very good service. Excellent.